Hello, today I will speak about quadratic functions. The definition of quadratic functions has the form y equal a x power 2 plus b x plus c, where a, b and c constants and e will not be equal 0. Example of quadratic functions: y equal x power 2 minus 6x plus 5. The constant a here equal 1 and b equal minus 6 and c equal 5. Quadratic functions form always a parabola. If a bigger than 0, the open upward smile face, and we will get minimum value. If a small than 0, the parabola downward, and we get a sad face here. Smile face, minimum value, sad face, maximum value. I will begin with this equation, and I will use the ABC formula to solve this equation. But before that, I will set y equals 0. Then I will use the ABC formula, and here can we see a equal 1 and b equal minus 6 and c equal 5. I will use this formula. X minus 6 plus minus b minus 6 power 2 minus 4 by 1, a equal 1, by c equal 5. All of this under root u divided by 2a, and a equal 1. A by 1. Then minus by minus, it will be plus, positive 6 plus minus here, minus 6 by minus 6, 36, minus 4 by 5 by 8 equal 20. Divided by 2. X equal 6 plus minus 36 minus 20, 16, divided by 2. X equal 6 plus minus here 4 power 2, so it will be 4 divided by 2. X1 equal 6 minus 4, 2 divided by 2, it will be 8, 1. X2 6 plus 4, 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. So the intercept of the x here, x intercept equal x intercept equal x equal 1 and x equal 5. X equal 1 and x equal 5. And I can see here also minus 6 divided by 2, it will be 3, and this the axis of symmetry line, the axis of symmetry line, we can think this minus x equal minus b divided by 2a equal minus 6 divided by 2 equal 3. So the axis of symmetry equal 3. If you look here, when y equals 0 here, when x equal 1 and y equals 0 and x equal 5 and y equal 0, this line will be halve the parabola to two halves. 2 steps between 3 and 5, 2 steps between 1 and 3. So also you can think like this. It's you can find it in the middle between the two intercept of x. Now I will use this equation to find y-intercept when x equals 0. When x equals 0. X equals 0 to find the intercept of y. So 0 power 2 minus 6 power, by 0 plus 5, y equal 5. When x equals 0, y equal 5, here 5. Then I will use also when x equals 3, the equation of the axis of symmetry, x equals 3. Also, I will find how much is y when x equals 3. 3 power 2 minus 6 by 3 plus 5. Y equal 9 minus 18 plus 5. Y equal minus 9 plus 5. Y equal minus 4. So when it will be here, and I see the parabola has minimum value, and the vertex are here, vertex are here, vertex, vändpunkt, vertex are here, och vertex are when x equal 3 and y equal 4. And minimum value when y equal minus 4. I will show another example. Now we look at when x power 2, the second power 2 are positive. We will look when and we see this parabola has a minimum value vertex, minimum value here, vertex 3, 4, and the minimum value are when y equal minus 4. But when we have equation who the second grade are negative, we will look and solve this equation. Y equal minus x power 2 plus 2x plus 3. And I will use the ABC formula also. First I will set y equals 0, and then I will use the ABC formula. X equal here b equal 2, a equal minus 1, and c equal 3. So minus 2 plus minus b power 2, it will be 2 power 2 minus 4 by minus 1 by 3, CR3. All of this divided by 2 by minus 1, 2, therefore at a, because a equal minus 1. X equal minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 12 divided by minus 2, because 2 by minus 1, it will be minus 2. Minus minus, it will be positive. X equal minus 2 plus minus minus 16 divided by minus 2. X1 equal minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 divided by minus 2 equal minus 6 divided by minus 2 equal 3. X1. X2 minus 2 plus 4 divided by minus 2, and it will be 2 divided by minus 2, 2 divided by minus 2 equal 1. Now I see the intercept of x when y equal 0, x equal 3, and x equal minus 1. 2 divided by minus 2 equal minus 1. So 3 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here, minus 1, and this is the intercept of x. I will and the axis of symmetry equal 1. We can see it here because minus 1, minus 2 divided by minus 2 equal 1. We can x equal minus b divided by 2, a equal b equal 2 minus 2, 2 by minus 1 and equal minus 2 divided by minus 2 equal 1. So we can use minus b divided this this part of ABC form to find the symmetry line, the symmetry line, and it's equal 1. This part of ABC form, and we will find it -2 divided by -2. The symmetry are here, and I will do it like this. Now I will find the intercept of y, and when x equal 0, I will find how much is y, the intercept of y. 0 power 2 plus 2 by 0 plus 5, y equal 5. Y equal 5. When x equals 0, y equal 5. The intercept of y equal 5. And I will find how much is y when x equal 3, when the symmetry line equal 3. Minus 3 power 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 5. Y equal minus 3 minus 9 plus 6 plus 5. Y equal minus 9 plus 11. Y equal 2. Now I must look at this. 3, 2 by x, and 3. Okay, but I think e equals to 3. Wait. X equal 1 minus 1, and x equal 1 because the symmetry line equal 1. Now I understand why it's not correct, because I will take 1 power 2 and 2 by 1 when x equal 1, because the symmetry line equal, the x's of symmetry line equal 1, not 3. Y equal 1 minus 1 plus 4 plus 5. Y equal minus 1 plus 7. Y equal 6. And I will draw my line. I see I have here when x equal 1, y equal 6, and when x equal 0, y equal 5. And I will draw my parabola, and I see the parabola here has a vertex when x equal 1 and y equals 6, and the vertex, this is a vertex, and the axis of symmetry line x equal 1, and has a maximi value when y equal 6, maximi value when y equals 6. Yeah, I hope it was a good lesson. We meet with another lesson. Bye bye.